show you how to make a big batch of Meetha Paan masala and serve it like a pro to entertain your guests or even for any event, especially during wedding. These are very popular. So let me walk you through how I prepare this Paan masala. Fresh betel leaves, known as Paan in India, makes the best Meetha Paan. I am going to pick some fresh paan from my yard and wash them really well and let them dry. Be sure to remove hard stems. My mother-in-law is helping me here to prepare paan today as we are making in a big batch. The first thing goes on paan is Chuna and then Katho. I then fold all the paans. I have a little different way of folding the paan. Chutney, paan chutney, menthol. Chutney is very strong, so just one kind of a dash, kind of a line or something, whatever you want to do. Next, Hira Moti. This is how it looks like. Just take a pinch and sprinkle on each paan like this. Now you must be thinking, where do I buy all this stuff from into the United States? All the chutneys, paan masala, everything I buy from Betel Brothers grocery. Now here I have shredded coconut, fresh or dry coconut can be used, and my favorite ingredient, glazed cherries. Must for paan if you can get hold of them during holiday season. I buy from Walmart and keep them into the refrigerator for later use. Then add some Variyali and Dhana Daal. Gulkand. Gulkand is sweet, so do not add too much of it. Just a little bit. And then Tutti Fruity. Cashew. And just put a little bit of everything, not too much, because otherwise you won't be able to roll the paans. So, and now we're going to fold the paan. So here I have this paan. So first I'm going to fold in one end, another end, then just create like a cone, and then just secure that shape like that and create a kind of a triangle. And I used the foil paper to again secure them so they don't open up. And this is the perfect way and the cheaper way to serve paan. So just wrap them like that. Now these paan masala can be refrigerated for up to a month. Yes, they stay great for a month, even sometimes even longer than a month, depending on how good your paan is, like the betel leaves that we use. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of Meetha Paan. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many upcoming big batch video cooking, everyday cooking video, and much more. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest, Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other mobile devices. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks, and ideas in the kitchen, and also for printable recipes. Bhavnaskitchen.com is the best. Thank you for watching and see you soon.